Good afternoon, MarineMax friends and family. This is Thatcher Smalley and your MarineMax team here at MarineMax Grand Lake. Today we're taking a look at the all-new 2024 Aviara AV28 Surf. This boat is absolutely phenomenal, has a ton of great features, and brings all the upscale features from the Aviara line into this surf model. So as you can see back here, you got fully lined sea-deck swim platform that's going to drop down and give you easy access in and out of the boat. You got a nice extensive sun pad here with seating for 3 comfortably. Coming into the cockpit through this walkway, you have a dedicated fender storage, which is great so you don't use your underneath storage for your fenders. Now, as you can see here in the cockpit, you got a beautiful wraparound seating area with sculpted seats that's really going to keep you locked in on those bumpy days out on the water and give you a very safe and secure feel here in the cockpit of this boat. As you can see, you got plenty of cup holders. And making our way up to the helm, you got a deluxe captain's chair as well as your co-captain's chair with thigh bolster, which is going to give you a great view over the bow of this boat. Got a really sleek design here for all your screens, your surf settings, navigation. It's going to really clean up there at your dash. As you can see, this boat also does have a head unit, which is really going to extend your day out of the water and give you those luxury features here on this surf boat. Making our way up to the bow, as you can see, this currently does have the filler cushion in here, but it really opens up your bow space and gives you a ton of great seating options for everybody you're looking to take out on the water. As you can see up here, you also have some cup holders as well as an audio remote, so that when you're up here enjoying the sun, you don't have to make your way back to the cockpit to mess with any of your audio settings. So thank you guys for taking a look at this boat. This is the all-new 2024 Aviara AV28 Surf. If you like this boat or any other boat you see on our online inventory, feel free to contact your local MarineMax today. Thank you.